Okay, Team Labs, papunta lang ako mag-shoot for the intro. Ang ingay naman si helicopter. Okay, Team Labs, napaka-gloomy ngayon dito. Itong video na to, pumunta kami sa Strathfield. May pinick up si Celeste for our baby. And nagpa-COVID test ako. And nagpa-car wash kami kasi it's been a long time na hindi na car wash yung kotse. Okay, Team Labs, intro muna.
So, we are on our way to Strathfield. Medyo malapit dun sa pinuntahan namin yesterday na Office Works because I'll be picking up an item that I bought from Facebook Marketplace. So, yes. I'll show you later what the items are. And this is John driving.
Hello.
It's a good day today. It's very sunny. Hindi malamig. So, yes. It's gonna be a fun Saturday for sure.
Okay, Team Labs, nandito na kami kung sa bahay, kung saan namin kukunin yung pinili ni Celeste. So, yan, dyan. Yung bahay na yan. So, hinintay lang namin yung may-ari. Pero nandito na kami. Off lang namin yung kotse. Kailangan ba tayo lumabas? O hindi na? Ikaw na lang?
Oo.
Mabigat ba yan o hindi?
Hindi. Clothes lang yan.
Ah, clothes lang. Oo. So, ito yung bayad. Oh, doon yung pera. $30.
Hintay ko lang. I got it. There you go. These are onesies.
What is that?
Ang cute. Mga hindi pa nagamit to ng mga Wondersuit. This is the famous Bonds Wondersuit. So, dito sa Australia, may brand na Bonds. Para siyang jockey. Parang ganun. So, meron siyang mga underwear, mga ganun. Meron din siyang mga clothes for bata. So, ito yung the famous Zip Wondersuit. It's a sleepwear. So, ganito yung itsura niya. 1C. So, instead na the mga buttons, so zipper na siya. Zip. So, mabilis mo na lang isuot sa baby. So, this retails for around $26 sa store. Minsan pag nagsisale, $16 ganon or $20. Pero, I just bought it in Marketplace for $10 each. This is brand new, so they have never used this one. Binenta lang nila kasi sumobra yung bili nila. That's why. So, yes, this is a good buy in Marketplace. Sometimes it's worth it to also check items in Marketplace, especially mga baby stuff, because you don't really use them for too long, diba? So, minsan yung iba binibenta na agad after ilang use lang, or yung iba mga brand new pa. So, yes, just keep a lookout of those items. Tara na, punta na tayo sa Concord. Because John will have his COVID test so that Monday he can go with me sa ultrasound para kita niya si baby for the first time. Because Monday was officially the first day na malilift yung lockdown restrictions, ibang lockdown restrictions. So that also includes yung sa clinic, yung mga visits to the doctor or ultrasound. So pwede nang sumama si John sa akin, as long as he can provide a negative COVID test that's valid for 72 hours. So we will get the COVID test today, para tonight he will get the result. Let's go!
Okay, Team Labs, so hindi lang kami nakakuha ng mga footage yung nagpa-COVID test ako or nagpa-swab test kasi bawal. Pero may result na ako. So ipakita ako sa inyo yung result. I am negative. So pwede na ako makasama ni Celeste bukas sa scan. So yun, next, pa-car wash na tayo. Okay, Team Love, mag-car wash muna tayo. Okay, Team Labs, paano to gagamitin? First, yung card mo, itap mo dito. Pagkatapos ng tap, press ka kung ano yung gamitin mo. Normally,
Ano yung una dyan?
yung una is ito, rinse. Then, pagkatapos ng rinse, foam. Then, pagkatapos ng foam, balik ka sa rinse. Then, pagkatapos ng rinse, punta ka sa super wax. Either mag-super wax ka or wag ka na lang mag-super wax. Then pagkatapos ng super wax, balik ka sa rinse. Yun yung last. Pagkatapos ng lahat na to, i-press mo tong stop. Then pagkatapos ng press ng stop, may message dyan na tap mo again yung card. Pag tap ng card, then yun, tapos na. Yun yung parang process dito. Okay? Okay, Team Labs. Galing sa kabila, na nasa ibang area na kami sa car wash. At dito na area, i-wipe namin yung kotse.
Please don't give me the rundown. I just want you to come round and ooh, you could be with her.
Sana na-explain ko ng maayos kanina doon, Team Labs. Sana na-explain ko, pero kung hindi ko na-explain ng maayos, mag-comment below and you can ask questions para masagot ko siya in a proper way. Okay, Team Labs, may dagdag lang ako. Dito sa car wash, kailangan ka talaga magdala yung mga pang-cleaning materials mo. Kasi hindi sila magbibigay doon or hindi sila mag-provide. So, kailangan ka magdala yung sarili mong mga cleaning materials. Pero may option din doon kung gusto mo yung mga machines na yung kotse mo papasok, then maglilinis. May option din doon. Pero mas pricey lang ng konti. Pero kung gusto mo na ikaw talaga yung maglilinis ng kotse mo, then yun yung ginawa namin. Which is a little bit cheaper. Pero again, magdala ka your own cleaning materials or cleaning stuff. Okay, back to the video.
Don't need to stress anyway. I'm cool on you, baby. I said I'm cool on you, baby. I don't wanna be a man.
Okay, Team Lab, ano na siya? Dry na yung kotse. So, ngayon, ipa-shiny na naman natin yung kotse gamit nito.
I just wanna have fun now. Please don't give me the rundown. I just want you to come round and ooh, you could be with her.
Okay, Team Labs, tapos na tayo sa shine na part. Yung pina-shine natin yung kotse. Next is ito. Yung glass na naman yung ipa-shine natin.
I only need you. I don't need love, love, love. I'm never alone.
Okay, Team Love, tapos na yung pa-shine sa glass. Then ngayon, pa-shine na naman sa wheel.
I don't need those things to make my body sing. I just wanna have fun now. Please don't give me the rundown. I just want you to.
Okay. Okay, Team Loves, before lang kami alis dito, yung machine na yan ay pang vacuum. Pero ngayon hindi tayo mag-vacuum. Ano lang yung nilinis natin sa kotse, sa exterior lang. Yung interior, mamaya na lang. Maghulog ka lang at least $1 or $2. Yung $1 is 2 minutes. Then, $2 is 4 minutes. Yan yung machine, Team Loves. Okay, Team Loves. Tapos na tayo sa car wash. Yeah, let's go home or saan ba? Gusto mo? Walking?
Gusto kong mag-roads. Kasi gusto kong mag-ramen.
Mag-ramen? Okay, Team Love, I hope nagustuhan nyo yung video. If nagustuhan nyo, paki-hit ng like at paki-hit yung notification bell para at least ma-notify kayo any videos namin na ma-upload. And if nagustuhan nyo, paki-hit ng subscribe. Salamat, Team Loves, and we'll see you tomorrow. Okay, Team Loves, so hindi na kami pumunta ng roads at saka nag-ramen, but umuwi na kami sa bahay at nag-walking, which is good.
It may be hard to do, but I'm gonna make it through. Oh yes, I'm telling the truth.